To install Google Drive on your computer, click on the search window at the left bottom of your screen and type backup. And as you can see, you have the option there, backup and sync from Google. Then click on this and wait. Click on get started. Here, use your school email. I don't want you guys to use your personal email. Then click next. Enter your password. Click next. Okay, here you have to choose the folder that you want to share on your Google. So we got this. My suggestion is just uncheck all these three, because if you don't uncheck it, actually you're gonna put everything that you put on your desktop or documents on picture, you are sharing it on your Google Drive. And because later on when you go back to school, I want you guys to add your Google Drive to your school computer. So my suggestion is go ahead and uncheck these three so you're not sharing anything personal on your Google Drive. And here I just leave it like that and click next. And that's it. Yeah, and click start. As soon as you click start, Google starts syncing whatever you have on your Google Drive. That probably yours is empty. I have lots of stuff, and it would sync it with this computer. And as you can see from now on, you have a folder on your computer, and anything that you add here, it automatically would add to your Google Drive online, and it would be part of your Gmail account, your school Gmail account. And I show you guys later how we can use that and how you can share your file with me later.